Hello,
इके
good day
उस दिन है
everyone.
ना
This
मैं
is
आपको
we are
पूछा था।
installing
आप बोला कोई और आदमी
hotel
आएगा तो
door
मैं फिर
lock
पेपर
in one
इसलिए
of
आपको
our
नहीं
hotel
दिया।
projects. This
तो
is
डोर का
36
कमजोरी हो जा सकता
hotel
है।
door locks we are installing
सही है।
at one of the hotels, and it's a 4-star hotel. And you can see our carpenter is had marked before the lock, and now he is using his chisel and making the hole, because the mortise of the hotel door locks are different than other locks. You can see this mortise is large size mortise than the normal door locks, and it has the mortise has the electronic driven circuit.
करो वापस सर।
You can see there is also a secret mechanical lock. You can see the key is always given, so in case the customer fails for the card or something, or he drops the card or something, so you can open the room in that case and you can issue the new cards later. So this is how we fix the full hotel door lock. This our company is Al Fajr Technologies.
कौन से पाजी आए?
And our contact is 9597 6615, and the email is alfajr.oman@gmail.com,
कौन सा शोल्डर टूट गया वो इधर
and that will be
इधर से
printed
ठीक है वो
also.
तो कोई मुश्किल नहीं।
So you can contact us in
वो ये
this
मेरे
kind
पास
of
स्पेयर भी
project.
है।
We do
स्पेयर
all
भी है?
these things
हाँ।
for the hotel Wi-Fi and the hotel door lock, the music system, etc. All the projects we are doing. You can see now almost the lock is completed, and it's been just finally screwed. And this is how we fix the hotel door locks.
बस हो गया।
Okay, the color of the hotel this door lock is silver color, because customer said that any other color will maybe come out in future or something, even though it has a 20-year warranty, and the color will never come out. We have all many types of colors. This is the secret hole for the key, so in case of the failure you can just open from inside. You can do the do not disturb lock also, so no one can come inside without this your permission. Here it's a swiping card unit. There you can